Did you play this game? If you answered yes, you're probably 5 years old, because according to analytics, mostly kids 9 and under play this game. And even though the average player would never play a game like this, it still makes tons of money, even if they don't spend tons of time and effort on it. So for that same reason, I collected 5 Roblox developers and made them make a game without pay. But there's a catch. Each developer is going to go in chronological order, meaning there's only one developer working on the game at a time. And then they pass the game on to the next developer without communicating at all. So basically, the next developer is going to have no idea what the game is. So let's get started. The first dev starting this game off is Zappy. So we'll come back once we see what he did. Alright, it looks like Zappy has already started making changes to the game. So let's see what he does in an hour. Alright, it looks like Zappy just finished working on the game, and let's see what he got so far. It seems like he made a Coliseum, and I guess this is going to be a fighting game. I'm going to see if he added anything else by playtesting the game. And no, it doesn't look like there's anything else, but that's okay because we still have 4 more developers. So let's go ahead and pass it on to DanCodes.
Hey guys, it's me, DanCodes, and I'm going to turn around in 3 seconds to see what the last person on this game did. 3, 2, 1. So it looks like some sort of arena, and there's a weapon spawner. So I think this might be some type of Minecraft survival game sort of thing. Since I'm a scripter, it's my job to make the game work. So I'm going to be adding 4 weapons that the players can use. A mace, an axe, a sword, and a hammer. So I'll be back when those are done. Alright, so I just finished the weapons. You guys are gonna like this. I promise you. Okay, so whatever, that's fine. But yeah, we have 4 weapons. They're laying on the ground. So you can actually pick these up now. So I can actually pick up this sword, and as you can... Okay, the game was a bit broken there, but we're gonna try this again. So yeah, okay, so yeah, I already said we have 4 weapons, and I can actually pick them up. We have a nice idle animation that I made. It took me like an hour. Not really. It was more like 10 minutes. But we have the sword, and if I swing it at the player, it actually plays a sound and does damage. Yeah, this is basically all I did. And you know, let's just go on to the next person.
Okay, so it looks like DanCodes kind of made like a Hunger Games type game, and he made a lot of progress on the game, so it's kind of playable now. Anyways, it's still far from finished, so let's pass it on to Bloxy.
Alright, so it's my turn now. I am Bloxy. You probably know me from the other video I made with Cash. And yes, my turn to do this now. This looks kind of like One Piece or something. Is this a union? Oh my, who did this? Who did this? No way this guy used unions for all this. Was it Waspo? Was it this guy that did that? Wait, is this DanCode? That kind of looks like DanCode. Anyways, let's just try the game out. I just gotta get some ideas. This kind of looks like a gladiator arena, I guess. Weapons? Oh, you picked them up. With animations. Okay, that's kind of cool still. Okay, so you can't change weapons if you pick one up, so that's sad. Okay, they work as well. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna work with this map. I think that's what I have time for, I guess. Yeah, I will make this look more like a gladiator arena, I guess. It will look awesome. I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so the rendering sucks for this, but I'm done with the modeling now. So this is my Coliseum gladiator thing, you know. It looks kinda decent. But yeah, here it is. I really hope it works to put this in Roblox. Sometimes it just messes up and glitches. Alright, and my time is up now. So this is what I did. Wait, let me just get these stuff away from here. So I made this thing. I made this Coliseum, I guess. This is the new spawn where you go if you die. And this is still the map. I was too scared to change anything, but the ulterior, the like thing around it is completely changed. Thanks again for having me. Bye bye.
Bloxy just finished his part, so let's go on to Pondaroni.
Alright, what's up guys? It's I, Pondaroni the Great. This is definitely like a gladiator fighting game, so see what shenanigans I pull right now. I see there's no UIs, and these games low-key go hard with like health bars, so I'm gonna do that. Damn, that looks like straight booty cheeks. I'm not gonna lie, let's fix it. Sexy. This is gorgeous. If there's like a Bloxy for sexiest health bar, I should win it. Okay, thank God that's over. Alright, I'm gonna test it on a kill break I made. That's so hot that I forgot to write the text part. Whoops. All right, let's try that again. So like I said earlier, I'm waiting for that Bloxy for next year. All right, for my last trick, I'm gonna add a dash, so that way like the gameplay is a little more exciting. All right, I'm gonna just test it out. Holy shoot, I forgot this game is R6. Oh, okay, I'm just fix that real quick. Oh, hell yeah, that is so sick. I hope whoever's next has fun with this. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, I added this part that explodes when you touch it.
It looks like Pondaroni just finished making his changes, and the game is looking a lot better than when I last saw it. It looks like he added a dash ability, and he added a health bar. But now for the biggest twist of the video, I'm going to be the last dev, and I'm going to make the game 100 times better. So let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm in the game now, and I like what I see. It's a lot better, way better than when I first saw the game, and it looks like it's just a big coliseum. I actually haven't got to playtest this yet, so let's go ahead and press play. Alright, so we're in the game now, and I can't really go in yet. I think there's like a lobby system that controls this. So let's see if it actually puts us in. And no, it's not putting us in the game. So what I'm going to do is fix all of the bugs that are existing in the game, and then we'll make some fun changes. So I'll be right back. Okay, and just like that, I fixed a bunch of bugs, and I also added a couple of new features that you're going to like. So let's go ahead and test it out. So if we go ahead and hop into the game, as you can see, we are just kind of chilling for a sec because we have an intermission, and then we go into the fighting stage. And now we can dash forward and try to get the weapons. And then you just go around and beat people up. I didn't necessarily make the game 100 times better, but hey, it works, so that means it's a good game. I think. And whatever, let's get some people on to play it. Alright, everybody go ahead and join the game and let's check it out. Look, I'm rolling in the air.
Do a barrel roll. You guys wasted your
Come on,
barrel
come on, come on. Come on, come on.
I got
No!
the sword.
I got the axe!
I got the hammer. Dude, I'm so good with the hammer.
The sword is the best.
No, get away.
one,
The sword is not the best one, it's the hammer. Or maybe the axe. Yeah, what was that? What was that? What was that?
Get away, get away. Nope, it's over for you.
Don't feel like it. I don't feel like dying.
Okay, yeah, the hammer might be the best.
Uh-oh. Ooh, I walked right into it. Back up.
Oh,
What?
oh, I'm so good. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I just restarted 1,000,000 recordings after I
Wait,
killed you
there's-
so many times.
We don't talk about that.
Hammy!
Oh.
Wow! Dude, leave me alone. Go after DanCodes. Dude, I just spawned in, please. Actually, go
Come
away.
here. Get him.
You guys suck. If you catch me right. At least, one of you backstab each other at least. Thank you.
Die! Yes! Yes!
What?
I'm so good at this game.
And it's not gonna stop the round.
Are you kidding me? Okay, everybody rejoin and let's see if it works this time.
What's his name? Dude, that's mine!
Okay. What? Ah!
It sucks so bad, I'm literally hitting him.
No, it's not. You just have to time your roll.
Dude, I'm literally hitting him. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Dude, I'm hitting you!
I'm pretty sure the hammer has like the biggest hitbox. Oh my god!
Oh!
This game is so
Oh my
bad, I hit
God.
like 5,000,000 times.